Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever tried Anil Semiya? It's a wonderful, versatile vermicelli, perfect for a quick, wholesome meal. This staple ingredient is incredibly popular across many kitchens, especially for those busy weekdays. Whether you crave something sweet like a creamy payasam or a savory upma, it adapts beautifully, making your cooking journey easy and enjoyable for everyone. Before you start, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need Anil Semiya, of course, along with some water, a pinch of salt, and a little oil or ghee. For savory dishes, consider fresh vegetables and aromatic spices. If a sweet treat is on your mind, then milk and sugar will be essential additions. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process smooth. Now for the cooking magic. Begin by lightly roasting your Anil Semiya in a pan with a little ghee or oil. Keep stirring until it turns a lovely golden brown, which really enhances its flavor and prevents stickiness. Once roasted, boil the right amount of water with a pinch of salt. Gently add the semiya, stirring occasionally, and let it simmer until it's perfectly tender. Once cooked, turn off the heat and let the semiya rest for just a couple of minutes. This short rest allows it to absorb any remaining moisture. Gently fluff it with a fork. This prevents clumping and keeps each strand separate. Now, it's time to personalize your dish. Stir in sautéed vegetables for a savory treat, or add cardamom and nuts for a delightful sweet dessert. The possibilities are truly endless. Your delicious Anil Semiya is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, either as a comforting breakfast, a light lunch, or even a quick dinner. It pairs wonderfully with a side of chutney for savory dishes or fresh fruit for sweet ones. This versatile ingredient truly makes meal preparation simple and satisfying. We hope you'll give it a try soon and savor its delightful taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.